the demonstration against the administration of the local funds was, in our opinion, a monstrous mistake, and we shall remonstrate as vigorously as we can, The monstrosity in the shape of an effigy of the chairman of the administrative committee was of the most objectionable nature, and only served to demonstrate the poor taste of those who designed it, I should have to write a long manuscript if I desired to express my resentment properly, and even then my remonstrance would not be too strong, I should like to assist in the administration of personal punishment upon the men at the head of this monstrous business, It is pleasant to know that no one from the ministry was concerned in the matter, close.